Hello students, today we will discuss about oxo acids of phosphorus. Phosphorus forms a number of oxo acids. You can see the table where the oxo acids of phosphorus have been displayed. Name hypophosphorus acid, formula H3PO2, and the oxidation state of phosphorus in this is +1. Similarly, you can see phosphorus acid H3PO3, hypophosphoric acid H4P2O6, orthophosphoric acid H3PO4, diphosphoric acid H4P2O7, metaphosphoric acid HPO3, and peroxophosphoric acid H3PO5. In these oxo acids of phosphorus, the oxidation state of phosphorus is different. हाइपोफॉस्फोरस एसिड सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट इज H3PO2. इट कंटेन्स फॉस्फोरस इन +1 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन, हाउ वी कैन प्रिपेयर hypophosphorus acid H3PO2. First of all, you can see the method of preparation. It is prepared by heating phosphorus with alkalis like barium hydroxide, and when the precipitate of barium hypophosphite is formed, the precipitate is separated by filtration and treated with a sulfuric acid. By this reaction we will get the hypophosphorus acid. You can see the reaction of barium hydroxide, phosphorus, water, you can get phosphine and the precipitate of barium hypophosphite. Then this phosphite precipitate is treated with H2SO4 and you will get the barium sulfate and hypophosphorus acid. It can also be prepared by the reaction of phosphine, iodine and water, and we will get Hi plus hypophosphorus acid. Now physical properties. It is a colorless crystalline solid. It has melting point of 26.3 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in water. Now chemical properties. First of all, acidic character. This is acid, so it means it has acidic character. It is a monobasic acid and ionizing as H positive and H2PO2 negative. It means it can donate only one proton. The other two hydrogens are not ionizable. This is very important point, that it is a monobasic acid. Next is action of heat. It decomposes to phosphine. When a concentrated solution is heated to 40 degrees Celsius or above, it decomposes, give phosphine and phosphorus acid. pH 3 and H3PO3, it means it is not as much stable. Then reducing character. If it provides H positive, it means it has reducing character. The salts of these are strong reducing agent. For example, it reduces copper sulfate to cuprous hydride, and the acid is oxidized to orthophosphoric acid. H3PO2 is converted into H3PO4 and the copper sulfate is reduced to cuprous hydride. Mercuric chloride is reduced to mercury. You can see HgCl2 hai. It is mercuric chloride and it is converted into Hg2Cl2, that is mercurous chloride. Okay, so it means it is reduced from oxidation state of +2 to +1, and this Hg2Cl2 is again reduced to elemental mercury. It means +1 to 0 oxidation state, it is reduced. Third reaction, it is reduces silver nitrate to silver. AgNO3 converted into Ag, reduction takes place, and the reduction with zinc H3PO2 plus hydrogen, it is converted into PH3 plus water. Now structure. Hypophosphorus acid is a fairly strong acid. It has only one ionizable hydrogen atom. So this is a monobasic acid. दिस सजेस्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ओनली वन OH ग्रुप इन इट्स मॉलिक्यूल. इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि इसमें सिर्फ एक ही OH ग्रुप है जहाँ से आपको H पॉजिटिव मिल सकता है. तो एक्सरे एनालिसिस और रमन स्पेक्ट्रा जो है वो ये स्ट्रक्चर इसका सजेस्ट करते हैं. आप राइट हैंड साइड में देख रहे हैं, phosphorus is attached to 2 hydrogen by single bond, then 1 OH bond, and 1 oxygen is double bonded with the phosphorus. Tetrahedral structure है ये. Then next acid is phosphorus acid. In this acid, phosphorus is in +3 oxidation state. Method of preparation, it is prepared by the hydrolysis of phosphorus trichloride or phosphorus ऑक्साइड। हाइड्रोलिसिस जस्ट आपने करना है, चाहे PCl3 का कर लें चाहे P4O6 का कर लें, यू विल गेट this phosphorus acid. It can also be prepared by adding anhydrous oxalic acid to phosphorus trichloride. PCl3 को अगर oxalic acid के साथ में रिएक्शन कराएंगे तो भी आपको ये फॉस्फोरस एसिड मिलेगा, ठीक है। नाउ प्रॉपर्टीज़ में फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ देखते हैं सबसे पहले। इट इज़ अ वाइट डिलिक्विसेंट क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट इज 70.1 एंड इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली सोल्यूबल इन वाटर। केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ में सबसे पहले देखेंगे एसिडिक करेक्टर। इट इज़ अ एसिड, इट इज़ ऑल्सो it is a dibasic acid because the two hydrogens are ionizable. H3PO3 first converted into H positive and H2PO3 negative, then H2PO3 negative ionizes to H positive and HPO3 2 negative. Okay, then action of heat. On heating at 200 degrees Celsius, it decomposes into phosphoric acid and phosphine. Action of air, easily oxidized by air, converting into phosphoric acid. Then reducing agent, because it provides 2H positive, so it is a strong reducing agent. The reducing reactions are: reduces copper sulfate to copper, reduces silver nitrate to silver, and reduces mercuric chloride to mercurous chloride by giving phosphoric acid H3PO4 in each reaction and acid. Then action of PCl5. By reacting with PCl5, we will get phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride, and phosphorus oxychloride. Phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus oxychloride, and HCl. Now structure. Dibasic hai, it means it contains two OH groups. The third hydrogen is linked to direct to phosphorus and it is not an ionizable hydrogen. स्ट्रक्चर यू कैन सी टेट्राहाइड्रल स्ट्रक्चर है, दो जगह OH है, एक जगह हाइड्रोजन से अटैच है, and one oxygen is doubly bonded to the phosphorus. Now hypophosphoric acid H4P2O6. It contains phosphorus atom in +4 oxidation state. First of all, preparation from phosphorus. It is prepared by the controlled oxidation of red phosphorus with the sodium chloride solution. This gives disodium salt of the acid. You can see phosphorus reacting with sodium chloride, NaClO2 and water. It will get the hydrated form of, and so disodium salt of the acid Na2H2P2O6. Now sodium salt, the sodium atoms are replaced by a cation exchange resin in its hydrogen form. So sodium is removed by hydrogen and we will get H4P2O6. Now properties. First of all, physical properties. It is a white crystalline solid containing two water molecules and melts at 70 degrees Celsius. Now chemical properties. It decomposes on heating to give phosphorus acid and metaphosphoric acid. You can see decompose होके phosphorus acid H3PO3 और HPO3 metaphosphoric acid दे रहा है. Hydrolysis, stable towards alkalis, but in presence of acid it gets hydrolyzed giving phosphorus acid and phosphoric acid. Acidic nature, it is a tetrabasic acid. It means it can give 4 hydrogens, 4 protons. स्ट्रक्चर टेट्राबेसिक है, तो इसीलिए हम अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि फॉस्फोरस इसमें जो है वो इसमें 4 OH ग्रुप्स हैं, तो 2 फॉस्फोरस हैं इसमें. तो आप देख रहे हैं जो स्ट्रक्चर है phosphorus is a linear bond having, and then each phosphorus is attached to 2 hydroxyl group and double bonded with oxygen. And these structures are very important. You have to learn these all structures. Then orthophosphoric acid H3PO4, या इसको simple phosphoric acid भी हम कह सकते हैं. phosphorus इसमें +5 oxidation state में है. Now preparation, first of all from phosphorus pentaoxide P2O5, या फिर इसका जो डाइमर है P4O10 वो भी लिख सकते हैं. 6H2O converts into phosphoric acid. ओके, लेबोरेटरी में हम कैसे बना सकते हैं? बाय रिएक्टिंग red phosphorus with a solution of nitric acid of specific gravity 1.2, we will get phosphoric acid, nitrogen dioxide and water. इंडस्ट्रियल स्केल पे कैसे बना सकते हैं? बाय रिएक्टिंग सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड विद कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट. Okay, so we will get phosphoric acid and calcium sulfate. Now properties. First of all, physical properties. White tea liquescent crystalline solid है, 42.3 डिग्री सेल्सियस मेल्टिंग पॉइंट है, and soluble in water and forms acidic solution. Now chemical properties. First of all, combination with water. It can combines with water to give hydrated phosphoric acid having formula 2H3PO4.H2O. Now action of heat. At 250 degrees Celsius, it decomposes into pyrophosphoric acid and water. When heated to high temperature at 600 degree, it gives metaphosphoric acid. Now acidic nature. It is a tribasic acid. You can see the reactions, the equilibrium reactions. In each step, H positive is released. Next is action with ammonium molybdate. When the phosphoric acid is heated with excess of concentrated HNO3 and the solution of ammonium molybdate is added, a yellow PPT of ammonium phosphomolybdate is formed. Okay. Now structure tribasic है, it means it contains 3 OH group and the structure is given below. Phosphorus is attached to 3 hydroxyl group and double bonded oxygen. Structure is tetrahedral. In this you can see the hydrogen bonding क्योंकि इसमें OH है, oxygen is more electronegative, hydrogen is less electronegative, so hydrogen bond takes place. Next is pyrophosphoric acid H4P2O7. इसमें phosphorus का जो oxidation state है that is +5 oxidation state और इसको हम diphosphoric acid भी कह सकते हैं. Preparation. First of all, pyrophosphoric acid is prepared by heating orthophosphoric acid H3PO4 को 250 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे हीट करेंगे तो ये डिकम्पोज हो जाता है H4P2O7 और वाटर में. प्योर फॉर्म में अगर आपने इसको बनाना है देन यू कैन टेक phosphoric acid plus POCl3, you will get pyrophosphoric acid and HCl. Now properties. First of all, physical property. Colorless crystalline solid है, melting point is 61 degree Celsius. Then chemical properties. First of all, action with boiling water. It is reconverted into orthophosphoric acid on boiling with water and it is a slightly stronger acid than phosphoric acid. Acidic character. It is a tetrabasic acid. The dissociation constants are as given. Action of heat. When heated strongly at 600 degrees Celsius, it yields metaphosphoric acid. Now structure. You can see the structure of pyrophosphoric acid. Phosphorus is linked through oxygen and the 2 phosphorus atoms having tetrahedral structures having 4 OH groups and 2 double bonded oxygen atoms. Okay, so 4 OH groups, that's why it is tetrabasic acid. Next is metaphosphoric acid. It also contains phosphorus in +5 oxidation state and prepared by treating phosphorus pentoxide with water. P4O10 plus water gives you HPO3. It can also be prepared by heating orthophosphoric acid and pyrophosphoric acid strongly at 600 degrees Celsius. Properties. Physical property, transparent glassy solid, therefore it is known as glacial phosphoric acid and melts at 38.4 degrees Celsius, soluble in water. Chemical properties. First of all, action of heat. On heated strongly, it gives phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. On water, it converts into orthophosphoric acid H3PO4. Acidic nature, monobasic acid है and form metaphosphates NaPO3. Monobasic है, it means it is formed by the addition of elimination of water molecule from orthophosphoric acid, and it contains only one OH group. You can see the structure. When we eliminate a water molecule from phosphoric acid, we will get the metaphosphoric acid. However, it does not exist as a simple monomer, and discrete HPO3 units नहीं है इसमें, but it can be represented as a linear chain structure. As per you can see, each phosphorus is linked by oxygen, which is having a coordination bond. साइक्लिक फॉर्म में भी एग्जिस्ट करता है, जैसे हम नीचे देख रहे हैं ट्राईमेटा है, 3 फॉस्फोरिक जो यूनिट हैं वो अटैच हैं. टेट्रामेटाफॉस्फोरिक एसिड में 4 मेटाफॉस्फोरिक यूनिट्स की अटैच हैं इसमें. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है परऑक्सोफॉस्फोरिक एसिड्स. 2 परऑक्सोफॉस्फोरिक एसिड्स जो हैं वो नोन है. एक तो परऑक्सो मोनोफॉस्फोरिक एसिड, एक परऑक्सो डाईफॉस्फोरिक एसिड H3PO5 and H4P2O8. It is prepared by treating phosphorus pentoxide with hydrogen peroxide, and the structure you can see. परऑक्सो मोनोफॉस्फोरिक एसिड में क्या है कि ओ डबल मतलब परऑक्सी लिंकेज है, ओ लिंकेज है सिर्फ एक में. और डाईफॉस्फोरिक एसिड में आप देख रहे हैं कि 2 जो फॉस्फोरस हैं उनके बीच में जैसे एक ऑक्सीजन एटम का लिंकेज होता है, तो यहाँ पे परऑक्सी लिंकेज है. These are the formulas, basic acidic character. Okay guys, so this is all about the oxo acids of phosphorus. Thank you.